Welcome to my channel Notes of Pharmacy. Today our topic is paper chromatography. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get the notifications. Coming to the introduction. The technique of paper chromatography was first discovered by Singe and Martin in 1943. Paper chromatography may be considered as a technique that utilizes a liquid as stationary phase and a liquid mobile phase for the separation of components of a mixture, so as to identify, analyze, quantify or purify the unknown substance in a given mixture, as both the phases, stationary phase as well as mobile phase, are liquid. Paper chromatography is also referred as liquid-liquid chromatography. Coming to the principle. Paper chromatography is a type of partition chromatography in which the substances is distributed between a liquid stationary phase and a liquid mobile phase. The components of the mixture move at different rates and appear as separate spots. The liquid of stationary as well as mobile phase constitute a two-phase system. So, in this system, components of a mixture undergoes partition or distribution, as different components of mixture has different partition or distribution values. Coming to the methodology. In this, two methods are involved: sample loading method and developing method. In sample loading method, preparation of sample solution is involved. 1 to 2% solution is prepared in suitable solvent. A reference line at 2 cm distance from the edge of the paper is drawn and points of applications are marked. The solution of mixture under test is spotted either as a fine line or fine spot. Spotting is repeated either twice or thrice. The next one, developing method. In this, saturation of paper stripe is involved. The sample loaded stripe is hanged for some time in the chromatographic jar containing the solvent, but without dipping in the solvent. The stripe is developed by running the solvent through the paper. Depending on the direction of the flow, there are two types of paper chromatographies are involved: ascending paper chromatography and descending paper chromatography. Coming to the development techniques. Depending upon the nature of components to be separated, any one of the following may be optioned. In descending chromatography, when development of the paper is done by allowing the solvent to travel down the paper, it is known as descending technique. The container consists of well-sealed glass tank of suitable size. It is provided with trough for the mobile phase. The paper with sample spot is inserted with upper end of trough containing mobile phase. The advantage of this paper is that development continued indefinitely even though solvent run off at the other end of the paper. In ascending chromatography, when development of the paper is done by allowing the solvent to travel up the paper is known as ascending technique. In ascending chromatography, the mobile phase is placed in a suitable container at the bottom of the chamber. The samples are applied a few centimeters from the bottom edge of the suspended paper. The ascending technique is preferred if RF values of various constituents are almost same. Coming to the introduction. Paper chromatography is simple and easy to perform. It is inexpensive compared to other chromatographics. Both inorganic as well as organic compounds can be identified by paper chromatography. It provides rapid results with best resolutor power. It requires very small amount of samples. Coming to the disadvantages. Large quantity of sample cannot be applied on paper, so quantitative analysis is not effective. In comparison to TLC, paper takes longer development time. When paper strikes to wall of chamber, it results in poor separation. F values cannot be calculated if solvent front not marked before drying the chromatogram. When paper is touched with bare hand, it acquires amino acids from skin. Applications of paper chromatography. Paper chromatography is used for both qualitative and quantitative analysis. Paper chromatography has various applications in pharmaceutical industry. Separation of biomedical products, study of inorganic metal salts and complexes, separation of mixture of organic compounds, study of natural products, forensic chemistry. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Notes of Pharmacy. Thank you.